Gorgeously improved 1-year-old new construction home in a Lake Norman community conveniently located close to shopping, grocery and restaurants. This home features a 4-bed/3-bath plan situated on a corner lot. Inside you will be met with 2-story foyer and an open floor plan perfect for entertaining or simply a cozy night around the fireplace. The second level features 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths to include the primary suite. Beautiful lighting inside and out, the addition of new paint, wallpaper and perfectly complementing accent walls and blinds throughout. The Bluetooth surround sound makes the bonus/game room even better. Outside you will find a full fenced yard, a 20 by 40 stamped concrete patio and a 14 by 14 beautifully handcrafted pergola. Bring your touches and make this lake community home your own. For a private showing, call Naomi or Billy Race at 7047749710. Compliments of the Naomi Race Group of Realty One Group Select.